Avoid these foods if you have bloating issues. Carbonated beverages. Soda, sparkling water, and beer can introduce gas into your digestive system. Beans and lentils. These legumes contain indigestible sugars that can cause gas and bloating. Dairy products. If you're lactose intolerant, consuming milk, cheese, eggs, and other dairy products can cause bloating and discomfort. Artificial sweeteners. Sorbitol, mannitol, and other sugar substitutes can cause digestive issues. High-fat foods. Fatty foods can slow down digestion and increase the risk of bloating. Processed foods. Canned foods. Foods high in sodium can cause water retention and bloating. Wheat, bread, rice, flour, sweets can lead to gas if consumed in large quantities or if your body is not used to them. Certain fruits. Apples, pears are high in fiber and fructose, which can lead to bloating. Onions and garlic. They contain fructans, which can cause gas and bloating. Eat these foods to reduce bloating. Peppermint, known for its ability to relax digestive muscles. Ginger helps speed up digestion. Fennel can help relax gastrointestinal muscles and reduce gas. Papaya and pineapple contain digestive enzymes that aid in breaking down food. Additionally, drinking plenty of water, eating smaller, more frequent meals, and chewing food thoroughly can help prevent bloating.